6 Mayıs 2021 günü Volusia County, Florida bölgesinde yaşanan olayda Cocoa Polis Departmanına ait bir polis aracı çalındı. I-95 otoyolunda kuzeye doğru hareket eden çalıntı araç ile hava ve yer ekipleri arasında amansız bir takip başladı. Otoyolda tehlikeli bir şekilde hareket eden bu çalıntı polis aracını durdurmak için farklı yollar deneyen polis ekipleri yola kurdukları durdurma dikenlerini kullanarak başka bir polis aracıyla o çalıntı araca çarparak aracı kontrol altına almaya çalıştılar. Çalıntı aracı otoyol dışına iterek aracın ağaçlık alanda durması sağlandı. Çalıntı araçta yalnız olan ve sonradan kimliği tespit edilen 33 yaşındaki Xavier Cummings polis ekipleri tarafından defalarca uyarıldı ve teslim olması yönünde direktifler verildi. Bu direktifleri dinlemeyerek aracın içinde bulunan bir biber gazı silahını da kullanarak ortamın karışmasından faydalanan şüpheli araçtan inerek koşmaya başladı. Bu sırada başka bir polis aracına doğru yönelerek farklı bir polis aracını da çalmak isteyen şüpheli o araç ile de kaçmaya çalıştı. Ve olaylar o saniyeden sonra çok farklı şekilde gelişti.
Air 1 does not have eyes on the suspect.
Alright, everybody heads up. He's trying to drive the car out of the woods. Alright guys, we're going to get 2 shields. We're going to approach. He's trying to rock the car back and forth so he's still inside. Look, when they get a shield, let's pin him in.
What is got going, bro?
Watch him! Throw it to me! Coming out the driver's side!
Y'all do not walk up on this car. We got enough people up here. Dog! That's a dog! He's on the move again in a Cocoa Canine Explorer going north on 95.
Hey, get behind the car! Oh, you kidding me?
He got him? What? Where'd he go? 41 and another Explorer northbound.
Air 1, follow that car. He got another car.
Air 1's got eyes still northbound.
Black Cocoa Canine Explorer.
Okay, we got units coming up just south of Dunlawton. It's the only vehicle coming at you, center lane, blue lights on. Only vehicle, about 3 seconds out.
That weapons accessible in the cab. Any other vehicle dealing with them, block your doors. Alright. Delta 32 has eyes northbound.
14 to whoever's calling it. You want the traffic to stay put.
Car 1, give Air 1 the air.
Still northbound 95, half mile south of Dunlawton. Half mile south of Dunlawton.
Lieutenant Shank, I need to know if there's any guns in that car that he just stole in the front.
Still northbound on 95, passing Dunlawton. Traffic stopped on the on-ramp for Dunlawton. Still no traffic northbound center lane.
The channels are patched now with 5.
Which car? The Cocoa car?
Cocoa SUV, Cocoa SUV. In the shoulder right now.
Stick it from both corridor units. Full stick it. Are there guns in the front of the car? Ask the K9 handler from Cocoa. He says yes, there probably is.
Okay, vehicle smoking north of 95, or north of Dunlawton by about a half mile. Going into the inside lane.
Being advised that's a SWAT officer's vehicle. Don't be in the same lane with him, he's going to lose debris all over the road.
Inside lane, he's starting to slow down. It's about a quarter mile south of Williamson overpass.
Okay, now I wonder if you're not already. Hurry up and get up here. I'm coming. Hey, you guys let K9 to the front. Let K9 to the front. Car 1, make sure you get some long guns up here too.
Still northbound, north of the Williamson overpass.
X-ray 11's at 92. Does it need more sticks or no? Alright, everybody hold there. We need a K9 up here. Mike, where you at? Passing Williamson. Alright, he's braking for the median, guys. He's braking for the median. Braking for the median. Everybody slow down. Don't ball up here.
It's underneath the wires. Underneath the wires. In the median.
Where there's going to be K9 in the signal 10.
10-3, 10-3.
We got one thrown down on the ground. Being secured.
1642 hours.
CO3 Central. I need a Cocoa unit back here at the first scene where their vehicle went into the woods. CO3 Central. Send the fire department to the 252, and if there's a K9 that can come.
Where there's going to be K9 in the signal 10.
10-3, 10-3.
Step back. Don't grab it. That's good. All right. Yeah. I'm CIA. I'm Central Intelligence. I'm Central Intelligence. I'm police. Stand up. I have to go. I'm dead. Make sure he doesn't have any weapons on him.
Do me a favor. See if you can get somebody to see inventory what's in this. Yep.
What is this?
Now it's locked.
Cocoa. Where's Cocoa at? That blue. That why? Give me the plate.
No. Take him. He goes to them. We're in their county. They take him.
911.
We got to book him in their county.
I'll say integrity. I
gotta
say
say
caller. Hey, woo!
Hey, don't put him in the car.
Kids, all right.
Spread your feet.
Hey,
Spread your feet.
F-150. Ready to the house. Herbert. Camouflage.
Quiet.
Edgewater.
Quiet.
I'm scared, Edgewater. They try to kill me. For real.
Well, you killed just about everybody else, so. I
No,
wanna
that
hear
blue
it.
truck right now.
Right.
That's gone.
Okay, well, it looks like there's a little bit of blood on the
That blue truck. That blue
Oh,
truck.
that's the police's.
That police. Man down in the field. 784. Y'all see the headlights. Y'all see the truth. They say a helicopter. We probably red tails. We say shoot. We say Cocoa Police. Red 35.
Hey, where's
Say
Brady?
Hawk. That's what fishing.
Brady.
Say double take. Y'all say okay. Pull him in. Y'all say here. Go to Georgia.
This is CST right here.
Right here. Right there walking. Across this way. Y'all say catch. F-150. Full of bulldogs. Y'all say GML. I say God. They got who? The devil. FBI. Say CIA. DEA. Herbert. Paul. Will. Vicky. Courtney. Say Bell Cummings. Dennis Jones Cummings. Larry Baldwell. Say Trooper. F-17 FPL. Florida Patrol Economics. DOT. Department of Transportation. Blue, blue, blue. Never say go. Go say true. Don't call the officer. Say help me, help me, help me. They say look, it's a V&B shape. Camouflage, camouflage. It's a double take. Y'all say V. They say no. They shoot me, they gonna kill me. Then FFP say blue. You say true. I say soldier. I ain't got the pin in my wig. Peel these caps back. Y'all say blue. They say soldier. I steal. Point blue. 4. Y'all say blue. I say Volusia County. Volusia County. I say no. Flex. Shell Volusia County. No, SRX. I'll go back. Y'all kill him.
You might want to search double take.
No. They say don't come back. Ain't true. Y'all say F-150. Volusia. High State. Dodge. FFP. Florida State 50121. Check in. Y'all say soldier bulldogs. I'm in trouble. Y'all say who? 5-day County.
Yeah, I know.
Who? Beyonce. Transport. I say Malibu Chevy. I say man down in the highway.
Watch your head.
I say I can't put it down. I say Fred. Y'all say what?
Watch your head.
Volusia County.
Good
Fred
track.
Cummings
Good
Senior. Fred Cummings Senior. Go to jail.